Welcome to the future of gaming. RazerCon 2024 has just set a new benchmark for immersive gaming technology. From HD haptics to groundbreaking laptop cooling, this event is a game changer for all gamers out there. Stick around to get all the highlights and see why Razer is leading the charge. At this year's RazerCon, hosted by Razer CEO Min Liang Tan, some of the most innovative gaming products were unveiled. The spotlight? The Razer Freja, the world's first HD haptic gaming cushion. Imagine feeling every explosion and heartbeat in your games like never before. This groundbreaking technology lets you experience a whole new level of sensory feedback, from the vibrations of a racing car to the subtle shifts of weather in-game. Razer also launched the Kraken V4 Pro, their most advanced gaming headset yet. With Sensa HD haptics and THX spatial audio, it allows you to hear every sound in full immersive detail, making your gaming experience almost cinematic. Whether it's hearing bullets whiz past or the low rumble of a storm approaching, this headset offers unmatched immersion. And for the streamers and multitaskers out there, the Kraken V4 Pro comes with a new OLED control hub that allows you to customize everything from sound to in-game settings on the fly. Perfect for those fast-paced, action-packed gaming moments. Next, the Razer Laptop Cooling Pad was revealed as the ultimate solution for gamers who want their systems to run cool and efficiently. It offers adaptive smart cooling with minimal noise and can reduce CPU and GPU temps by up to 18%. Perfect for those marathon gaming sessions. But that's not all. The Razer Synapse 4 was also announced. Faster, smarter, and more customizable than ever. Gamers can now tweak their hardware to perfection with unprecedented ease and speed. Lastly, a special project was teased for Razer's 20th anniversary in 2025. Could it be the return of the legendary boom-slang mouse? We'll have to stay tuned to find out. So why does all of this matter? RazerCon 2024 didn't just unveil cool gadgets. They are setting a new industry standard. These innovations will change how we game, making each moment more immersive and interactive. It's clear that Razer is at the forefront of pushing the boundaries in gaming tech. Now we want to hear from you. Which Razer product are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you're loving these game-changing innovations. If you want to stay updated on the latest in gaming technology and more from events like RazerCon, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next in the world of gaming.